Hey guys, it's Nick. It's another Wilds rendering series, and I'm glad to see you here. And yeah, for now I'm really busy with some heavy projects, and I'm basically like exporting alembics, baking caches, and rendering it all up. So it just means that there will be a lot of tutorials just a little bit later. And for now, it just means that we have some time to discuss. I think it's a crucial topic, how to freelance 3D design, how much money you can make, what should be your hourly rate, what should be your soft skills, which software to learn, etc. So yeah, let's talk about that. I am working as a remote freelancer for 5 years. 3 of them I was an iOS developer, and 2 of them I am actually a 3D motion designer, working from Europe, and yeah, basically majority of my clients are from USA and also from Central or Eastern, Western, Northern, all the Europe. So yeah, I would like to discuss a few crucial points that helped me a lot. I would like to say what I've done wrong, so you are not repeating my faults, my fails. Yeah, hope it will be some valuable information. If you find it great and helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and visit maybe my Instagram page. On the second part of this week, there will be a breakdown of my most recent Flip Fluid simulation project. Also, you will be able to download the project files, so stay tuned. Savings. So first of all, savings. Everybody is talking about savings. 3 months savings, 6 months savings, a year of savings. Just basically the money that will be used to pay bills, buy yourself food, all that kind of stuff. It's obviously that it's necessary sorry, and yeah, it's basically the thing is, it's not the pay the bills or to buy food. In my opinion, it's more for yourself, for you to mentally prepare that after let's say 6 months you will be able to make a living and make a decent amount of money by doing what you would like to achieve. In my case, it was freelancing 3D motion design, and it's kind of a mark for yourself. It's a start. It's I don't know, the shot in the air, when they used to do that in I don't know 70s, when marathons started with a actual gunshot. So yeah, that's basically, for me, it was always a constant reminder to myself that after X time I should be able to make a living on 3D motion design. So yep. Also, second, and maybe even the first necessary thing is your portfolio, because now never anybody would trust you only if you email them, I'm really good at this and that. No, you should prove that you are good in this or that. So my advice would be easy. You can do it by Squarespace, Cargo, Bix. Just pick a domain. It might be your name and your surname. I would say that if you want to freelance for an agency, or find a studio and freelance for them, do concept projects from start to production ready animation. So what do I mean? Let's say we pick a theme. So we are doing a project for, I don't know, this mic. It's cheap, I don't know, fine mic. So I am creating style frames, I'm creating references, I'm doing mood board, I'm doing everything. I'm documenting that, even if that's a sketch on the, I don't know, paper and using pencil or pen. Just document that photo or scan or anything. and then you do all the work that you could imagine in the pipeline. I mean, from early sketches to the finished animation, style frames, yeah, rough animation, sound design maybe, or collaborate with somebody. And then you compose like case study from the very early stages to the very end. And that's what all these agencies are looking for. They are looking for your mindset and also your technical skills, obviously. But they need to know how you actually, what's your vision, how you solve the problem of creating the design of the animation. So yeah, I would say that's one of the most necessary things. You should showcase the full like product or like product development pipeline. Yeah. Alright, so you are prepared for searching your first client, and for me, I was like, I reached out to many super cool 3D guys, 3D motion designers, and they told me, oh, majority of my clients just found me via Instagram, and I was like 800 followers on Instagram, and I was like, alright, so I'll try posting once a week, maybe. To be honest, for those 2 years, I've got 2 clients from Instagram, and those weren't those were like great clients, average great clients. I mean, good projects, but nothing too special. It does not work if you are like under 1,500 followers or even 2,000 followers. For me, what actually worked and worked extremely well is good old email, like spamming. Like, you got the list, you got your template, you do some kind of like personalization each time you send the email, you are just spamming. And this is how you get the clients, how I got my clients, who right now they are like all of them at once, just ordered something last month. But yeah, anyways, it's a constant and sustainable income for me. So what I've done, I made this template. Basically, it was like introduction. No, it was like greetings, hello, hey. Then I wrote a few sentences about what I do like, and actually that's true. I went to their website, I checked case studies, I picked some of the projects that are near to my style, and I wrote, yeah, like good job, or I like this and that. After that, I said, I'm Nick, 3D motion designer, blah blah blah. I'm from Latvia, it's in Europe. Obviously, you don't know where it is because it's a very tiny country. But yeah, and after that, I posted links to my portfolio, to my showreel, and to my portfolio. And after that, I was like, if at any like time you would need a helping hand, please feel free to reach out. Cheers, Nick. That's a template for you guys that worked for me really well, because I'm not pushing on them. I'm not trying to like, please, I don't have money to eat or feed my children, please give me work. No, nobody wants to give them their shoulder for you to cry. That's not how it's gonna work. After that, be like, just say something positive about them, like, I love your style, or I don't know, congrats on winning this award or that award. After that, maybe not like maybe, but yeah, obviously, introduce yourself, be short, be precise, and show them your work, because it's main thing. They will click on your portfolio. After that, you might have a talk with them, you might have a call, and then your soft skills will come in place, your communication. But we will talk about that later. Alright, so to keep it short, where do you find your clients? There's a website called clutch.co, co.uk, or maybe it's basically, it's Clutch, CLUTCH. On that website, you just, in the right top corner, you just find graphic design or motion design agencies, and you go through all of that list. Basically, I did 2,000 emails. I'll be absolutely honest with you. From these 2,000 of emails, I've got 10 clients, and now I'm working with, let's say, 3 or 4 of them. But those 3 or 4 of them are my favorite clients. I enjoy working with them. We have great communication. We those are really great clients. Cheers to every one of them who might be watching this. Right. So once somebody replied to your email and they want to have a call with you, there are a few things that you should kind of try to mention. You should be transparent in terms of what you are talking about. If you are talking about the project, never ever lie, because it's a shoot in your foot. You are shooting in your own foot at the very beginning, because once you get that project, just random something, they will be, oh, so you told you were, I don't know, doing characters, or maybe I am not doing characters at any kind, and I always say it in the first hand, I'm not doing characters, never, just don't ask me about that. But yeah, and if they come to you and say, hey, we need a character, you said you are being into doing characters, and you lied about that, it's basically it's a red flag. It's rest in peace. You will not be working with that person again, ever. So yeah, be transparent. Also, when I am on a call with a new client, I always talk about how it's great for me to keep them on track. So I'm sending them updates every 2 or 3 days. I'm always opening and replying to their emails, not in the night, but yeah, it's that person might be 1,000 kilometers or miles are far from you, and there should be something that will make him agree to pay you an upfront payment or sign a contract. So if you will you don't necessarily need to be acting sketchy or something like that, but it's always good to somehow show your client that you are on the same wave. You would love to help him to achieve this project, and that would be cool, I don't know, portfolio piece for you and for them. Obviously, it should be paid. And yeah, talking about payments, how much you could earn being a 3D motion designer, because I've seen crazy stuff. I've seen motion designers that are charging $2,000 or $3,000 a day. And I've seen 3D motion designers charging, I think $20 per day, not for hour, for a whole day. So based on my experience, I would say that $30 per hour of work or $240 per day is a great way to start and build yourself up. You can try, maybe if you have more clients fighting for you on certain projects, you can just try and say one of them hey, from the next month it will be $300 per day, or for the USD per hour. And that's how you can like try and really understand what they are okay to pay you. So yeah, I would say start with $30 and try going up. That's how I started. Always you should know that you will need to pay taxes. I'm paying 30% here in Latvia. Also, a few notes that you will not be working, let's say 160 hours for a month, which is equivalent to like 5 working days, 8 working hours per day. You will not be like fully booked. If you are fully booked, it means just that you need to raise your rates. Yeah, that's about freelancing, 3D motion design. I would say that it all really shines right now in 2021. As I said, it should be shining in my video that I made in like November or December. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I tried to keep this video really short, yet maintain some kind of like valuable information from my own experience. Yeah, if there's something you would like to know, just comment. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. As always, leave a like, leave a dislike, leave a comment. Anything, I always appreciate feedback. And see you guys next time. Bye.